This was my 1967 Ford Thunderbird with a 428. Engine was rebuilt, maybe 10 years ago now or so. But just have a few hundred miles, certainly less than 1,000 miles on it since then. And I did have the Holley 4106 carburetor rebuilt some time ago. Got a fuel pressure regulator on there and have it close to 6 psi. At any rate, I've been having some issues with it kind of cutting out and hesitating at a real constant speed of 35 and above. Once you accelerate, it doesn't do it. Otherwise, it seems to run fine. I just checked my Pertronix, what I put on in 2009, again, and the flamethrower 1.5 amp coil. Excuse me. And found out I was having, I had it hooked up where I only was getting 6 volts to it, so I just changed it to where I get 12 volts to the igniter versus 6 volts. Don't know if that did some damage to it or not, but I tried to adjust it, tried to adjust the floats correctly. And so, as far as not driving it in here, it seems to be doing okay. I have not detected a vacuum leak to account for that. Let's see if it'll start. It starts right up. Idle's pretty good. It's not smooth as I have a 460 Lincoln that's extremely smooth. It's smooth, not perfectly smooth, but it's pretty good. So, not sure what the issue is. You would think everything is fine. So we'll see. There's something else going on. But having that cutout, so I don't know if changing the Pertronix from 6 volts to 12 will make any difference, or what's going on. If there is a vacuum leak that I haven't detected under the dash, of course, very vacuum intensive, although I've taken off the vacuum headlights and have the electric headlight doors on it. So anyway, we'll see. That's trial number 1 here.